Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're at my brother-in-law sister's house, and the grass needs some help. They're looking to put the place up for sale soon, so we're just kind of helping them out, getting some things done around the house today, and also celebrating my brother-in-law's birthday. So as his birthday present, he is getting a treatment of weed and feed. Clearly there's many weeds in this lawn. There's a lot of shade, there's some moss over on the side. And so we're gonna just at least give it a boost to control some of the weeds here, and then also boost the remaining grass in the yard. So this is what we have today. We have the Award Turf Fertilizer Weed and Feed. It's got the Trimec herbicide in it. It's got the dimethyl salt 2,4-D. And some dicamba. It's a 20-010, and it covers 12,500 square feet. This bag was $30 at my local landscape supply store. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get the hose out, hose down this front yard, and we'll get the front yard covered. You want to make sure to put it on a damp ground, so that way the granules stick to the broadleaf weeds. We got this front section good and wet, so I'll just open this bag up and start spreading. I don't know exactly what setting to put on the spreader. I've never used this brand before, but we'll just try it out a little bit at a time and see how it goes. Be enough to get us started. The backyard's much bigger, but we won't be doing much of the backyard today because we're here for the gathering, and we're gonna have people and pets out in the back, and you can't put this stuff down when you have people running through it. So we're at least gonna get the areas that we can get done, and we're gonna go from there. Continue working on this section here up in the front, and we're almost done. Looks like I should have got him a new hose sprayer too. All right, now we'll spread the rest of the weed and feed on the remainder of the front yard here. can clearly tell that is not very long here. The grass isn't very long, the weeds aren't very tall, so I'm not sure how good this application is going to be, but when you look at this lawn, basically anything I can do to it right now will help. So let's finish spreading. You always want to make sure to read the label when you put down products like this. It has all the instructions on there and suggested uses, and just tells you everything that can happen with it. And just like that, we are done. Spread the whole bag across the whole property, and I think they might get some rain tomorrow within a few days, so it'll give a good time to get on those weeds and knock down the weed pressure in the yard here. So thanks for watching my video. Why don't you go ahead and slap that bell icon so you're notified of when I upload a next video. And then also, since we're slapping things around, go ahead and slap that subscribe button too. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I saw the paws on there, Jason. I thought it was a dead animal or something you were carrying. That's what I thought.
No dead animal.
You look so chunky. We'll give Papa the finger.
First, why don't you just dump it in the whole